Hello, my crafty friends. This is Lori Girl on the Ridge. I have some. I'm going to move you just a second. There we go. I have something I'd like to share with you. I have a file folder set with a skinny journal and an altered bag, altered envelopes, and lots of goodies. So this is made with, I got into a romantic mood because I started reading my historical romances again, because that kind of distresses me. So as I was reading my book, I was thinking, this young lady needs a stationery set. So that's what I created today. So this is Miss Rose, and we're gonna, if those of my old subbies that remember how I used to do the prairie books with a story, we're gonna go into story form, that this belonged to this young woman from the mid 1800s, and this is her stationery. In my mind, I am not historically correct, so I'm just having fun. So this is letters and flip outs and letters that Miss Rose might have gotten, and there's a little envelope in there. And then this is just the cover. So then we flip it down. Now this is probably in her secret desk, where those pretty big desks always had those secret compartments. She probably hid this. So in here, she would tuck some special little notes in there. And then this flipped out, and then this would be a little card there. And another little postcard she probably got from somebody who wanted to court her. And in here is some just stationery that her papa probably brought her back from a trip, and a pink envelope. And then over here is just more writing paper with her namesake, who would use lots of roses. And then in here, this is a flip up, and then another flip up. And now Rose was just she lived on a big spread, but her papa wasn't there. They bred horses. And this is just a really pretty, I love this paper, it's gorgeous. And I put some vintage lace, seam binding, sorry silk, why? I never can remember that. And just some new and old trims, and that goes like that. So she lives on this big spread, and there's not a whole lot to do. And she dreams about faraway places, and these are all tags, shipping tags that her papa brings her, and she saves them, and she puts them in there to tuck away. And there's some writing paper in here. And then in this little tuck spot in here, there is a little notepad that stuck. I don't want to get that out. Another little notepad. And then this picture falls out. And this is the man that she has loved, and she knows that she can never be with him because he's below her stature. So she just never, but she's always going to be in love with him. But what she doesn't know is that he's not really a horse breeder. He's just pretending. He came to their farm, or to their ranch, or whatever they called it, to pretending to be a horse breeder, but he's really a duke. So you know they're going to end up. But she doesn't know that, and he has to pretend for quite a while. And this is another little pretty little paper that she'll write her hopes and dreams on there until one day she hopes to marry Devlin, but she just, until she learns his real identity. And that'll be later tonight when I finish the book. And then the back is just plain. So that is that. And then she has this little skinny notebook that she hides under her bed. And she puts all her little notes on here and here. These are really cool. These are inspired by, well, Susie got me started from Sophie's notes, and she got them from Somerset Studio. And then this. So Rose has a lot of dreaming to do, but she will one day find her prince. So I imagine all this pretty stuff on her desk. And then this, and then another little note that she'll have one of the groomsmen maybe give to Devlin. Because she loved him, and she was going to fight all odds to be with him. And then we go this way. And this is the back of the accordion. And I hope I'm in framing all this. And there's just more. This, oh, that goes, oh, this is an envelope to tuck more notes in there. But she's also, every woman and young lady that's in town is fighting for the attention of Mr. Devlin because he's quite handsome. And this is in there. But he only has eyes for Rose, but he just can't let it be known yet. And then this opens up this way, and it's the back. So, you just figure out how to close these. That's why I make, this one is the back part. See, I'm so excited to get back to my story, I'm just messing this up. Okay. And then we have, so you have the skinny envelope, and you have the altered file folder. And then I was thinking of all the stuff. This is just a guest check that's on an envelope that Miss Rose can tuck things in. And someday, pretty soon, plan for a wedding. Because I don't read any sad books. They all have to have a happy ending. And then here is just a little booklet I made out of the Edith Holden page. So there's a booklet. This is one of the little tags I made, like a tea bag tag out of, was it Edith Holden too? I believe it is. And that goes in, they go in here. This is another guest check that I altered, and this is in a white bag that Miss Rose can put things in. And then I just made this is a altered envelope made out of Edith Holden, decoupage. I left the poem there and just music paper, and then sewed a rose in there, from Letters to Rose. So this is the kit from Miss Rose that I really picture sitting on a beautiful desk. So that's it. That's it for my fantasy world. So you guys have a nice night, and I'll see you soon. Bye.